Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see history of embedded systems. At the end of this lesson we can able to explain history of embedded system, define the position of embedded systems in the contemporary scenario. In the previous we have seen how embedded systems and differ from general computing systems. We know that embedded systems are designed using special purpose hardware which is emitted OS and to perform specific set of tasks. It is very interesting to know about specific tasks that taken through the embedded system by exploring its historical events. Here we can have how remarkable development of embedded industry has made our life so simpler and easier. It is all due to the invention and development of semiconductor technology because without semiconductor there is no microcontroller or microprocessor and without them there will be no embedded systems. Hence, it is very important to know the efforts of various reputed industries which have made embedded market more successful. Let us take a look back at the major regions that have marked the history of embedded systems in 1944. The world's first programmable electronic digital computer was developed for the battle purpose and it was named as Colossus Mark I and Mac II computers. The computer was specially designed and used by British codebreakers to read the encrypted German messages during the Second World War. And in 1960s, a most crucial NASA's lunar mission program called Apollo Guidance Computer was started. This project was developed by Charles Starr Draper at the MIT Instrumentation Laboratory. So this is the Apollo's guidance computer and it was the first computer to use integrated circuits with 1 megahertz clock, 4 kilobytes worth of only the memory of 256 words. This is the user interface which has 7 segment display unit with a keyboard. It acts as the communication bridge between astronaut and the computer. It provided the astronauts to input their commands numerically. A multi-professor, David Mindel, who is the author of Digital Apollo, says the Apollo guidance computer were early examples of what we would today call embedded computers, which now appears in everything from iPhone to automobiles. Thus, the Apollo guidance computer became the first recognized modern embedded system to this world. And in 1961, another one crucial military project was initiated. So it was the Minuteman Missile 1. For this automatics B-17 guidance computer was developed. It was built from the discrete transistor logic and had a hard disk. As the main family, it was also the first embedded system to be produced in large quantities. In 1965, the first computer embedded in commercial instrument was launched. It was a 12-bit PDP-8 mini computer. Consequently, in the year 1966, the Minuteman Missile 2 went on the prediction. This came up with several major technical advancements into automatic. So it replaces the old automatic guidance computer with the new microelectronic guidance computer, which was lighter in weight compared to its old version. The second version was developed with high volume of integrated circuit. This process reduced the cost of the integrated circuit from $1,000 to $3 each. Due to its affordability, integrated circuits came into use on various commercial products around the world. Later, in the year of 1968, until it was founded by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore, the beginning of Intel led to evolution of microcontroller and microprocessors, which is heart of many modern electronics. In 1969, microprocessor-based fuel injection system was introduced in Volkswagen, which cars, and it was a breakthrough in the field of embedded systems. Later, in the year of 1971, for the first 4-bit microprocessor was developed by Intel scientists. In the same year, one of the most successful 4-bit microcontroller was developed by another semiconductor giant, the Physics Instrument. Later, in the year of 1974, the Intel 8008 was developed and it was the first microprocessor to be used in personal computer. In the year of 1980, microcontroller became demanded technology. The microprocessors are optimized for speed and memory size. The microcontrollers are optimized for minimized power consumption and it has the physical size is minimum. In the year of 1983, HP 150 personal computer was introduced by Deep Packard and it was claimed to be the first computer to be featured with touchscreen sensitivity. In the year of 1987, VxWorks, a real-time embedded operating system, was introduced by Wind River System. This real-time operating system was used for NASA's Pathfinder mission in the later of the year 1989. One of the embedded systems, that is dot matrix printer, was restricted to 8-bit due to the power expenses and type timing and also the electrical constraints. In the year of 1992, the embedded system went wireless. Nearly 10 million mobile phones were manufactured using embedded system for controlling their functioning. In the year of 1996, the renowned software giant Microsoft entered into embedded market and designed its handheld personal computer using Windows CE 1.0 microsystem, that is the operating system following the Windows OS. In the year of 1999, the Linux Foundation started to develop its roots in the embedded system. At the beginning of year 2000, a second parallel revolution occurred. In embedded system, one of the highlights was the launch of real-time version of Linux by the Timesys Corporation. In the year of 2005, the multi-dollar companies IBM and AMD released their first multi-core processors, and also by the year of 2007, the reputed American multinational technology, that is Apple, released its first iPhone mobile following the Apple iPhone. In the year 2008, first Android phone was launched and the Android core became an open source OS. Finally, when it comes to our contemporary scenario, over 95% of electronic chips producing inner ear or for the embedded system. So these are the hidden in familiar objects which we can see around us, which we can use every day. Another one technological breakthrough in current embedded is Wi-Fi. It is connected smart appliances and also the range includes microwave oven, refrigerator, coffee brewer, washing machine, etc. All these appliances can be monitored and controlled via our smartphone applications. But what will be the future in the picture at the embedded systems in future? The predictions will be autonomous network will become the talk of the town in future. One of the most awaited projects is self-driving cars. That is, it is fully automated driverless car which players believing this technology is going to hit the street by the year 2020. It's going to change everything. So this is the summary of his. Thank you everyone.